is Garrett Fry, the Alleyway Sequence Lead for 3D Digital Matte Painting, and we're taking a look at shot 1319. So let's go ahead and play that. We start out here on the right and pan over to the left. So a couple of things that we need to do for this shot. There's another shot 1315 that is of the same area of the alleyway, but it's looking this way, and we're looking this way on the alley. So for that, we need to provide continuity between these two shots, and mostly the continuity has to do with these garbage piles that are right here. And all of the muck and stains and things that you have going on. So if you have like a really strong pattern of the stains, then you need to reproduce that for this next shot, especially if it's, you know, kind of winding out of this doorway, which would be kind of cool to have this little really mucky stuff going on there. So in addition to that, you can get rid of this Vespa, because 1315 and 1319, although they were shot on the same day, it's supposed to be in the film. It's supposed to be a different time of day. So, so the Vespa is seen in other shots, so we're going to get rid of that Vespa. And it's a little bit later in the day, so we're going to just put just a little hint of some lights in here. You can be very, very subtle in this. It just has to have an indication of it. And there are bright lights like these, but they're coming through frosted glass. So it's a bit more diffuse, or the light's getting more diffuse through the frosted glass. And so it's just kind of a subtle thing that we're seeing through there. So we definitely don't want to overdo it on that, because then it will look very heavy-handed. Also, when you're working with these shots where it's overcast and kind of monochromatic, you need to be very careful about your value in color, because if you're off just a little bit, it's going to stand out a lot with this environment, because the color range is a lot smaller than it would be on, you know, something that was a full day lit shot. With over 4 gigs of image reference in the library, there's a lot to go through before you get started in the sequence. Make sure you play around and experiment with the photography before you commit yourself to the work on the final matte painting. All the images are camera raw, so you have a lot of range to play with. Good luck.